are live. Let me go ahead and shrink this down. Showing the pairs that we are currently on. Oh, let me move this over a little bit. Yeah, just fit that in there like that. Can I even shrink this up? Let me shrink it up. Let me give people some chance to get on. Happy trading. We in this Euro or the USD JPY and the pound odd. Let's give a couple people some chance to get in. Let's see here. And feel free to put in the chat any pairs that you want to go over or look at. Go ahead and put in here too. All right. So that's where we currently are in the market. We are buying the pound Australia and we are buying the USD JPY. Our take profit is going to be about here because we have the price action right here. As you can tell, it is consolidating. So it's trading in this little range, which we're fine with. Let's see if we can find any other pairs. Let's go through. I like the pounds. Let's start with the pounds. I gotta move this up. Let me see. Here we go. So in a lot of room. Jeez, look at this. It's just right on the mark. So we're waiting on this pair right here. Let's check it out. Look at how it's just kissing the line. All right. So it's almost ready to go. But as you can tell, it's not really doing anything yet. Let's take a look here. Boom. Okay, here. There. It's like perfect. This is a very good short right here. a very good short, and gonna probably right here. Right? Because if it trades over our line, we know we can get up out of here. We're going to take this short right here. We are going to take this short, ladies and gents. Oops. Wouldn't do it. Valid, I do it wrong. Damn, let's see. I did the wrong pair anyways. I know I didn't. I said I'm taking it. We'd be going short. What? What? It's in some margin. Why is it saying that? Huh. It's not letting me put this in. Well, it's a good thing you have backup accounts. I don't know why it's not doing that, but we are going short here at this 133.86. I'm actually at 133.85 on mine. $183.85 short, right? And our stop loss would be I would wait for it to actually open above here, which is extremely low drawdown for this. So we wouldn't even have to worry about a huge drawback. All right, get in here short. It's down here. The take profit is going to be, we see what it would do, but most likely it's going to be around here, 33.20. So that's an easy 50, 60 pips. I'm going to put out, that's a very good signal as well. We'll just use like 15 pip stop loss. The signal, everyone sees the signal. And we're going to take profit. Move this over a little bit. Here. Pound USD is just kissing the line. We like this. The volume is headed down as well. Now let me close this part right here. Can I move this over? Let's see. All right. So we're in this one as well. Sent this out in these three. Let's take a look at some different ones too. That was the first one we pulled up, pound USD. Pound USD. And we look at this. We have our stop at 15 pips, right? 15 pips to make 50 pips. Right, it's a 4-to-1 trade. We can look at that one in a minute. We'll go back to it. And let me see here. Well, we don't want to go there yet. Let's look at some different ones. Let's look at this one. We were going through the pounds first. The pound USD was the first one. Let's see what the second one is. Pound NZD. This is the boss. This is the boss of the bosses. I don't even look at this. This is just a downtrend. We didn't even fool with this one yet. It's like all over the place on this player. Looks like it's trying to make a turn, but it's a little too risky right now based off of how it looks. Right. So let's just see. So we're going to go there and wow. Trying to take it all the way back here. Damn. Gotta wait for this low. Pair's not even worth looking at. It's good. It's too far back. Gonna make a new low though, I'll tell you that. It's only 100 pips away. That and 100 pips on that pair is nothing. Wow, look what we have here. Sub price. And look at this. Jeez, isn't this a coincidence? Here, right on the money. So let's take a look and see what this is gonna do. And feel free to any pairs that you want to go over. I'm just going through the different pairs just to see which good pairs are there to trade at the moment. So far, we're in the pound USD going short at 1.3385. We're buying the pound odd at looks like here 181.76, and then we're selling the USD JPY at 04.42. I'm just looking for some other entries now. So look here. We're just looking for some good entry points to see how it is. So we're still waiting. This still has some room to move. It's a little risky at the moment. It would be a buy, but it's a little drawback. It's probably going to wait a little bit and then spike up a little and then drop. Let's take a look at the different one. The pound Swiss. And as you can see, geez, as soon as it hits our price, it gives us an entry point that we can get in and just ride the wave. All right, this is what it's all about, finding the price. Once it goes to the price and it opens up above the price, you have a new price action. Until it breaks the price or goes into a new price, then you know how to trade it. Let's take a look. This one's not ready. This is like a big flag, so you're gonna be waiting on this one to draw back a little bit. It's gonna draw back just a little bit to spike back up, but as if you can see, it's kind of look even like a little flag. Right? You got the here, the flag. Let's take a look. Okay. I took advantage of this pair earlier. It's on its way back up. As soon as it hit our mark, shot right back up. It's going to go right here. And if it trades or opens up above here, we know we're going to get it to here. So until then, we if it closes below the price, we know price hasn't changed. All right. And so just waiting right here patiently. It's a couple more pips. I can, I like to, and you can see the volume as well. Volume is even going. So it's going to do one of those trickeries where it's going to touch it like this. It's going to do exactly this. And if it happens to open up and starts trading above, then I know it's going to go here. And that's a difference of, let's see, 74.92. So that's a difference of about 65 pips. And from here to here, that's a difference of 74.31, 73.20. Let me see here. And so that's pretty, you can get in down here. That's what you want to be in. And just ride it up and you just wait right here. Take your profits or ride it out more, take the gamble. But, you know exactly where, just based off of your price, what you want to do. Let's take a look at the pound odd. What's the one that we are on right now? And for this one, it's perfect. All right. Opened up above our price. It actually went under the price, but it hit our trend line, came right back up, and right here opened up right on the price. The price never changed. Shot up, came back down, hit price again, hasn't traded. Look at this. It goes under the price, right? As soon as it starts trading above the price, and until it starts going and trading under the price is when we know. But we know now that it's at least heading right here. So that's looks like 80 pips right there. From here to here. So we'll get at least 80 pips right here. And if it closes and starts trading above here, we know we're going to get it up here. It's going to be up here. It's going to be somewhere up here. Let's go back here. I'm too curious to see what this one is doing now. me see here. Actually, let's go to the, where is it? The pound. The euros. Everyone's favorite. The Euro USD. I don't know why it is everyone's favorite. Doesn't really move that much, but I don't know. Let's take a look. It's trading for price, but like volume is high. It's gonna adjust that. Just that volume high. Spirit just doesn't move enough for me. The small candles, like you can get your bang, you can get more money for a trade by the movement. Like some of the pairs are kind of expensive to trade and they don't really move. You want to try to get with the pairs that are moving, that are just as cheap or cheaper to actually get in. Euro's good, but it's not. I mean, this is going to be dropping soon. Let's take a look at Euro NZD. Another low one. Like the pound NZD. NZD is just sick of beating. Let's see here. Let's take a beating. So they're all low. Let's go to Euro JPY. Euro JPY. Oh. So this is a good one as well. But let's check it out. See what the range is. How many pips is that? So 24.55. So it's about 40 pips. Again, if this is a euro pair, so with the pounds they move more and it costs a little bit more to get in. The euros are a little bit cheaper and they move, they move good, about half the amount as the pounds. But like the Euro JPY, it moves pretty good. This is just a range of 40 pips, but you can see it's pretty. Give you the whipsaw you a little, but this is range. See how it hasn't yet not going because it hasn't crossed this line yet to come down. It still has to come touch here. It's not. It fools other people, but it can't fool me, right? You see it right here. Every single one is riding the line. It's not going to drop yet down here. It hasn't touched its price yet. It's just riding the line. And it come down, it even did it right here, but look, it closed right back above the line. Went through the line. Foolery. That's what it's doing. And then as soon as it touches here, or it starts and it closes under here, then I know that we have a change of direction. Let's take a look here. EuroCAD. Let's see here. EuroCAD. Look at this range. It's just back and forth, back and forth. 55, 43. But it's a, it's a 80 pip range. All right. Here we get in right up here, close out. And we know it's going long. It's a good position to go long. You can still even go long right now. 54 and from 54.05. I mean, you're only going to get about 30 ticks, but it's almost, almost a very extremely low drawback. If it does draw back, you're going to draw back about 15, 20 pips. So you get a 1-for-1 for your trade, or 2-for-1, I would say. Give 15 pips, draw back, make 30 pips. And the EuroCAD is pretty quick as well. It's a hybrid pair, hybrid Euro pair. So you can get your bang for your buck on that one. Let's take a look here. I think, let's see here. And let's take a look. Euro odd. Oh, you're odd. It's in a shambles, trying to figure out what it wants to do. It's in a downtrend, but it's trying to look like it's trying to, as soon as it opens up above here, which in an hour and a half is the new session. So it very well, if it opens up above here, above our line, but look at this, like this, right? It shoots all the way up to the price, drops all the way back down. So chances are it's going to drop right here and then shoot up. Because look, it's still on its down. Can go and touch it, but it hasn't opened up above it. It's still below it. So it is going to go here. Well, we do send out anywhere from 1 to 5 trades a day. And it's just sporadic throughout the whole day. There's no specific time frame. You can join us direct. Go to www.profitabletradingsignal with no S at the end, just profitabletradingsignal.com. It's also in the corner of the screen, so you can take advantage of getting profitable signals on a daily basis. And I call it like a slot machine. You set the alerts from when you receive the signal. We send out the signal, and you're able to just take advantage of putting the signal in, setting the entry point, exit point, and just go about your day. We do the hard work. We also offer a referral system as well. So there's plenty of different ways to capitalize and take advantage. So again, we are, just before we sign off, we are buying the USD JPY. We are buying the pound odd, and we are selling the pound USD. And for the moment, we are also selling the euro odd. But at any given time, because this volume looks like it's changing as well, pushing this pair, we could be flipping a script on that. But don't forget to subscribe, hit that, make sure you set the notification so you can know we're on live to take advantage of the free signals, and then be able to take advantage of the daily signals by joining. But we are signing off. Happy trading, and don't forget to always move that take profit once you're in profit. Risk-free trading. That's what we try to preach.